Please tear off the protective film before use. Key function description corresponding to icon number. 1. Return. 2. Play pause confirm. 3. Menu. 4. TF card slot. 5. Volume 加 long press previous. 6. Volume long press next. 7. Reset. 8. Speaker. 9. Headphone jack. 10. Turn on off long press. Screen out wake up. 11. USB port. Touch screen. TP material easy break. Please carefully protection. Note, these functions can be operated by touch or by using the side buttons. Return, play pause confirm, menu previous, next. Feel free to contact me if I need any help.